Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be doing green banana dumplings. The first thing you need to do is wash and peel the bananas. We'll be using 4 green bananas because we'll be making dumplings for 6 people.
You can grate or blend the banana.
Don't use too much water when you're blending. Now we're pouring out the mixture into the bowl. Pour some plain flour into the bowl. Add a bit of salt. Mix together. If it's too wet, you can add more flour. The dough is coming together nicely. Now we're going to form the dough and cook it. Put the dumplings into the boiling water. Dinner is served.